Hello everyone. In the last lecture we have solved examples on sine, cosine and projection rules, and today we are going to look what are applications of these three rules. So first one we will see half angle formulae in triangle ABC. If A plus B plus C upon 2 equal to S, now A plus B plus C means addition of these three sides means perimeter of the triangle, and upon 2 is half perimeter is equal to S. Then first we will take angle A, so its half angle is sin A by 2, and so sin A by 2 is given by under root, upside write down other than A sides, means here we will write S minus B, S minus C upon BC, cos of A by 2, again under root, first write down S, now here write down S minus this side upon same denominator BC, and tan of A by 2 sin upon cos, so denominator get cancelled, and so simply we will write this numerator S minus B, S minus C and the numerator of cos A by 2. Let's check now sin B by 2. So S minus A, S minus C upon multiplication of this means AC. Here cos B by 2, S in bracket S minus write down B and upon same denominator AC, and tan B by 2 this upon this upon S into, and for sin C by 2 here S minus A, S minus B upon AB, here S minus C upon same denominator AB, and tan C by 2 is this. You have to learn these three sets of half angle formulae. Now second application is Hero's formula. So let's check this. If ABC are sides of triangle ABC, and if A plus B plus C upon 2 is equal to S, S means half perimeter, then area of triangle ABC is equal to under root, first write down S, then S minus A, S minus B and here S minus C. You have to use this formula and find out area of triangle. And third application is Napier's analogy, and these are the three statements. Let's solve first example, and here we have given the length of three sides and we have to find out these 6 things. So first let's find, so before finding first cos A, first we will find out S. S means half perimeter. So this is the formula we know. Now substitute values, 18 plus 24 plus 30 upon 2, and that is equal to, now addition of this is 72 upon 2 and that is equal to 36. Now let's find first one. Now by cosine rule, its formula is given by b square plus c square minus a square upon twice bc. Now we know the values of a, b and c, so substitute these values here. A means 18 square upon twice 24 multiplied by 30. Now its square is 576, then 30 square 900, 18 square 324 upon multiplication of this is 1440. On simplifying this addition and subtraction is 1152 upon 1440. On simplifying, this ratio is equal to 4 upon 5. Let's solve now second, sin a by 2, and this is the formula. Now substitute values here. Half perimeter S is 36, B is 24. This subtraction is now 12 multiplied by this is 6 upon 24 multiplied by 30. 12 2s are 24, 6 5s are, so final answer is under root 1 means simply 1 upon 2 5s are, which is under root, so value of sin a by 2 is 1 upon root 10. Let's find cos a by 2 and its formula is, now substitute values. So simplify, this is 36. On simplifying, this is root 3 3s are 9 and 2 5s are 10, and that is equal to square root of 9 is 3 upon root 10. Now next we have to find tan a by 2, and tan means sin upon cos. Now substitute values. Sin a by 2 we have found 1 upon root 10. So here 1 upon root 10, and cos a by 2 is 3 upon root 10. Now same denominator get cancelled and its answer is 1 upon 3. Now next we have to find area of triangle ABC. Here we will use Hero's formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now substitute values here. Now we will write subtraction. So this is 36, 13 is 18, this subtraction is 12 and this is 6. We will split 12 as 4 3s are and we will multiply here. So here we will write this 4 and 6 3s are 18. Now find out square root. Square root of 36 is 6. Then 18 2 times, so write down ones, and this is 2. And this multiplication equal to 216 square units. And last one is sin A. We can find this as under root 1 minus cos square A, because we have already found cos A, but here we will use sin 2 theta formula, and here 2 sin A by 2 into cos of A by 2. Now substitute values, and so this is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. Root 10 into root 10 is only 10. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, and so final answer is 3 upon 5. Let's solve now second example, and here we have to prove this equal to this equal to this. So we will find out the separate value of these three, and then we will prove that these three are equal. So let's take first. Here first term as it is, and we will substitute formula for tan A by 2. Now here we will add and subtract A. Therefore A plus B plus C is 2S minus A means minus 2A, and this, now take 2 common from these two terms. Now check here, S minus A means root S minus A into root S minus A. So this denominator and this one get cancelled. So only root s minus a remains. We will shift this in root symbol. So we have 2 square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon s. Say this is first one. Same way we will prove second and third. Here also we will substitute tan b by 2 formula. Now check, here we will add plus b and minus b. So we have a plus b plus c means twice s, minus b means twice b, and this same as it is. Now again 2 common from these two terms. Now one root get cancelled from this and this, and so we have 2 under root, and say this is second one, which is same as first one. Here also first we will substitute tan c by 2. Now check here, a plus b. So here we will add up c and then we will subtract c, and therefore a plus b plus c is twice s, and minus c means minus 2c. This is same as it is, and again we will find 2 common, and so 2s minus c, and again one root from s minus c, and this root get cancelled, and so we have final answer, which is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon s. Say this is third one. Now check first, second and third. This and this also same. So from 1, 2 and 3. Since RHS is equal, therefore left hand side also equal, and therefore this equal to this equal to this. Hence we have proved. Let's prove third example, and here we have to prove sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 equal to this. So first we will start from LHS. Then we will substitute formulae. First sin a by 2, then we will substitute sin b by 2, and then we will substitute sin c by 2. Now check s minus a 2 times. So we will write here s minus a bracket square. Again this s minus b, and here s minus b 2 times. So s minus b bracket square. Again s minus c, and here s minus c 2 times. So s minus c bracket square. In the denominator a 2 times, so a square, b square, c square. Now taking square root of these, this square term and this square root get cancelled of each, and so we have, and then multiplying in the numerator and denominator by s, we have, this is nothing but the Hero's formula, area of triangle bracket square, and denominator as it is. Here we will write since, and this is nothing but RHS. And by the same way you have to substitute these half angle formulae and solve remaining examples.